You about to smack the
What is up, YouTube? I'm Jabril.
And I'm Morgan.
And together we are
The MJ Crew.
We've been down at 6 my regular. I'm talking 6 for better now. Oh, 6 for better now. We've been down at 6 my regular. I'm talking 6 for better now. Oh, 6 for better now.
Today, man, we in the city. We're gonna be having some fun. She talking about something. Hey, y'all tell Morgan y'all want to hear more from her when she be on this camera. But we about to go down in the city, man. We about to get on some scooters and then ride around the city. You ever rode around in the city on a scooter before?
No, I've always wanted to though.
For real? You never did that? Like, ever? I first with me, man. Honestly, man, we might be moving back.
Woo!
If you want to see the MJ crew come to Charlotte, thumbs up this video right now. 100 likes, we'll move back to Charlotte.
And if 100 not likes, where are we moving? Tennessee.
Tennessee,
Well,
I ain't
we
gonna
can
lie
move
to you. I like Tennessee. Like, every time I go, it kind of grows on me. Not Ray County though.
Yeah.
Say, let's go to Ray County. Let's get a house right across the street from your mama.
Look, I love my mama, but not right now.
Tay, we coming to move in with you.
Yeah. The city. Look, there's the city. You can't really see, but I hope we're going somewhere to eat. I'm starving. I think I might pass out. I'm so hungry. We're in the city. Look how beautiful. I just love. I've never been a big city girl. You know, because I was raised on the farm. I'm a farm girly. But it's cool to come to the city. I've lived in a couple big cities and it's just too much for me. I just get a little overwhelmed. But I feel like Charlotte's a little calmer. Like, it's definitely not in Atlanta. And I've lived in Atlanta. Austin, Texas wasn't really like, I mean, it's a city, but it's not like a, like, you know, big, like Dallas or Houston. Houston is like another Atlanta. But I think Charlotte's like cool. Like, I feel like I could make it here. Maybe. Guess we're gonna test the limits anyways. But hopefully we're fixing to go eat because I'm starving. And I'll keep you guys updated on if we do or if he just tells me that we're going to. This is my favorite part. Just looking at all the beautiful buildings. Like, look at that. Amazing. Engineers and architects are like some of the coolest people to me. They literally build these things and they stay. Like, they don't fall over. These aren't Lego buildings. They literally stay up. And people, like thousands of pounds, probably tons, are in these buildings and they don't waver. Like, they just stay. Trying to get her dog in.
Swear. That girl said,
I don't like the city. So I don't.
I said, you said you like the city. You glowing too. It's nice out here. It's a little hot too. It's a little too hot for me to be wearing this big behind jacket.
Big mama.
Man, what? Well, we gotta hop on these scooters real quick. First, I'm gonna feed her. She talking about something. I'm just saying, I'm gonna feed her first. And then we're gonna go ride some scooters.
I'm unwell.
Every time she record it, she be like this.
He's not a liar. He did it. He took me to get my paired.
Pretty good too.
Thank you, baby.
pretty good too.
Yummy.
Tattoos and booze for the win, man. Got a buffalo chicken wrap.
I got a Caesar salad.
Good. I seen y'all eyeing the food and but here, get a fry. Here y'all go. She like, how does it work? I don't know how it works. I'm like, you gotta press the lever down. She over there having the time of her life. Oh, let's go down the road.
That way?
Yeah. Go ahead, go in front of me.
Me?
Yeah, go. My scooter's slow. I'm trying to hold on with one hand and record at the same time. I'm about to get hit. Oh! He's about to get buzzed, y'all. Hey, I was driving, I almost hit somebody. I was like, bro, I do not want to hit this man. She told me, I'll meet you over there. And it's like I need to strap it to my vest, to my stomach or something. Like, look, this how I gotta ride. I can't even put my hand on the brake. Look, you about to smack the pool. It's too busy right now. Like, I want to be wide open. I feel like I can't even go wide open.
I know.
Oh, let's go back this way. Oh, let's turn around. Hey, y'all, bro. These scooters ain't no joke. They go like 15. She back there. Look at her back there. She all the way back there. Dude, you gotta catch up, girl. I'm trying to record and drive at the same time. About to go to BOA. I'm gonna go down this hill, slow rolling.
The stadium. Why is he kicking?
So far, how you feeling?
I feel free. I love it. I would trade my car to ride one of these every day.
Now you gonna trade your car. We over here, BOA. So, how was your experience?
It was so fun. I felt so free. Like, life is just fun. Like, when I'm out doing stuff, like, life is just, like, I could be broke.
Hey, y'all don't understand, like, the smile that she really had on her face. Like, watching her on them scooters, I really seen, like, her be, like, happy. Like, she was like, oh my gosh. She was like, her having your best life. She was living your best life on those scooters.
I about wrecked a couple times.
Me too, though. I'm trying to record. Like, I'm trying to record and, like, drive at the same time, and you need your hand to press the gas for the scooter.
Them thing, it says 15 miles an hour, but you're standing up and you're like
Scooting.
like doop, like not doop.
All the little humps and cracks, you feel everything.
Yeah, like there was potholes. To
Pothole.
us.
You so over there like the mud. I was like, boy, we about to get.
And there was one point I just left him behind. I was just feeling the wind in my hair, and he was like, "Hey."
You know what we should do? I'm trying to ride a dirt bike.
Oh yeah,
I'll teach you.
oh yeah, you want to teach me? I'm getting a motorbike one day, so I'm following in my papa's
Keep
footsteps.
talking about a motorbike.
I'm getting one.
Girls, a motorcycle.
It don't matter, motorcycle.
Motorbike. That's the old people terms. They be like, get off that motorbike, boy.
Well, that's what it is. It's a bike with a motor, too.
But nah, low key, them scooters
Or fun. I think I'm gonna sell my car and buy me one. Oh, look,
you think you'll save money doing that though?
No.
Like, I was about to say.
if it was electric, I had an electric scooter when I was younger, and it only went 10 miles an hour. My mama used to take me to the walking track, and oh, I loved it. I thought I got in her car one time because she was like, 10 miles an hour is fast. Yeah, she was like, 10 miles an hour is fast. And I was like, no, it's not.
But it really is, though, for a little kid.
Oh, yeah, I was young. I was like 12.
What?
But she got in her car. She got in her car and drove beside me. And I was like, yeah, I'm a speed demon. You want to see real speed?
Speed. That girl said Lightning McQueen. But let me tell y'all something, man. We appreciate y'all so much. You know, we're considering we might be coming to Charlotte. Who knows?
We've been looking at all these high-rise apartments, but it's going to be hard with 2 dogs. But the good thing I like about luxury apartments is they have, like dog parks on the top. So that's a plus.
So we need y'all to come through clutch for us so we can get these high-rise in Charlotte.
And watch the baseball game for free.
Right. Free baseball games.
Right.
But we love y'all so much, man. Appreciate y'all thugging it with us for today. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna see if I'm gonna teach her how to ride the bike. Let's see if she ride the bike. Love y'all.